Welcome to our guide on how to change font styles in messages on WhatsApp. Let's dive into the steps. Begin by opening WhatsApp on your Android device and navigate to the chat where you wish to send a message. For bold font, enclose the part of the name you want to make bold by surrounding it with 2 single asterisks. For instance, if your name is John, type John. Hit send, and your name will appear in bold for a striking effect. For Italic Font, to italicize a part of the name, enclose it with 2 single underscores. For example, if your name is Jane, type Jane. Once sent, your name will appear in a stylish italicized format. For Strikethrough Font, to add a strikethrough effect, enclose the name with 2 single tildes. For instance, if your name is Alex, type Alex. After sending the message, your name will display with a strikethrough, adding a unique touch. For Monospaced Font, wrap the entire name with 3 backticks. For example, if your name is Sam, type Sam, send the message, and your name will appear in a distinct monospaced font, standing out from the rest. By following these simple techniques, you can easily enhance your WhatsApp messages with different font styles, allowing you to express yourself creatively in your conversations. Enjoy experimenting with these font styles to add a personalized touch to your messages on WhatsApp.